Okay, D for doorway. Um, Founders end up becoming doorways for everybody who goes through there, and that's a very, very big statement, but it's true. I think if you decide to find being a startup founder as your purpose in life, you also decided to kind of escalate all your learnings in life, all kinds of growth, all kind of humanity, lack of it, etc., etc. So you can go in either directions, good, bad, ugly, doesn't really matter. But you will end up becoming doorways to many people because you'll meet a lot of humanity in all forms, in all its grays and whites and blacks. So you end up becoming doorway to people. So you will end up having very strong opinions from people who ever associated with you, work with you, especially you, because as you grow, people are part of your trajectory as part of your growth, and they will have opinions about you basis which part of your growth trajectory you're in. And that is a very unique phenomenon to a founder. I don't think many people go through that level of change. A founder requires you to change because otherwise you won't. You will end up going back to a job. You'll end up doing other things. You'll end up taking a break. You'll end up burning out. So to stay a founder requires you to change and shift very, very drastically, very, very quickly, at higher intervals than most regular people, and that is hard. And people watch you kind of go from whatever to butterfly in real time, and you will evoke very strong reactions. CEOs, I think, grow into their roles. They have time, space, resources, money, salary, teams, etc., to grow into their roles. So they have a very elegant growth. So they look like they've had this perfect career. Founders look like they've come through a war zone, which they have. They have been involved with themselves first and the world later. CEOs have interesting trajectories, but not as volatile, and that's the beauty of it. And it's a path. You choose what path you want. You want the volatile path, you want the non-volatile path. Both have their pros and cons. But founder path is a war path.